How to remove acne in Photoshop. First, you will need to select your image layer and then duplicate it by pressing right click and then duplicate layer, then press OK. And then you will need to create another duplicate of the layer, which is the last one, 3 duplicates. Then hide the last one. Then select the second one, right click on it, and then click on Convert to a Smart Object. And then click on the filter menu on the top and then go to Noise. And then click on Median. And then you want to basically adjust this radius where the acne starts to blur and fade. So for this picture, it's about 9 or 10. So I'm going to set it to 10 and then click on OK. And as you can see, I still can see the acne right here. So I'm going to go to the filter again and adjust the value. So I'm going to increase it to about, let's say 35, then click on OK. Now I want to click on Create New Filler Adjustment Layer at the bottom, and then click on Solid Color. Set the hue to 0% and the saturation to 50%. So for the S, it's 0, and for the B, for the brightness, it's going to be 50, and then press OK. Then right click on this layer and click on Convert to Smart Object so we can edit it later. Then change the blending mode for this layer from normal to overlay. So you want to look for the overlay and click on it. Then go back to the filter menu and then click on Noise and then click on Add Noise. Set it to about 8% and then make sure its uniform distribution is checked or selected. Then click on OK. Now you want to go back to the filter again and then you want to click on Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Set the blur to 1 pixel radius and then click on OK. Then you want to select the first layer that we've hidden and then unhide it and then right click on it and then click on Convert to Smart Object and then change its blending mode from normal to vivid light like this. Then go to the filter menu on the top and then click on Other and then click on High Pass. And then you want to gradually increase the radius in pixels until it brings back the skin color. So for example, 1.5 here looks good. Then click on OK. Now you want to select all your 3 layers except the last one. And then you want to press Ctrl and hold it down and then press G to group them. And then double click on the group folder to open up the blending options, which will open up this menu right here. Now for the underlying layer right here, hold down Alt key and then with your mouse drag to the left side until it hides the effects in highlights. So holding Alt and moving with your mouse. And then do the same from the other side. So you want to hold Alt and click with your mouse at the other side of the arrow. And then drag to the other side and adjust it to basically make the image look good. And then you'll need to press OK. Then add the layer mask to the group by clicking this button next to FX. Then press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. Then select the brush tool and then adjust the flow from the top here. Click the drop down next to the flow and set it to about 9% or 10%. And make sure your current foreground color is set to white. And now gently paint over the spots with acne. So I'm going to paint over the spots with acne or weird looking skin. As you can see, it's disappearing as I'm painting over it. And you can increase the flow if it's not making them disappear properly. So adjust the flow and increase the value to make the acne disappear as you paint over it with the brush. And as you can see right here, it's getting removed. And I'm getting rid of the acne and other spots as well. And there you have it. So this is the original image, and this is the image with the removed acne. Now this is a manual solution. Of course, you can still use AI and AI tools to probably get better results. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks guys for watching and subscribe.